All right, I'm just going to do something a little bit different. I'm going to have a go at Bridgemaster. Not played it in ages, so basically it's a good practice for declarer play. But I'm having a go at the world-class problems, and the world-class problems are really, really difficult. So I'm actually going to give myself 3 goes, so I can have 2 failures, and then if I fail at 2, then I've got to do it on the 3rd one, obviously. So let's have a go. Very rarely do these on first go. In fact, sometimes I'll have 10 goes and mess up in the past anyway, but I haven't done it in ages. So, okay, East has opened 5 diamonds, so non-vulnerable. They're always going to have 7 at least, and probably going to have 8 or 9 diamonds for that bid. I've bid 5 spades, then bid 6 spades from partner, and then double. I've got 7 spades. I've got 2 there. That's 9. So if the spades are breaking 4-0, then I'm off. So they can't be breaking 4-0. Let's play this one first. Okay, so if they're breaking 2-2, then I'm going to play ace king of spades, win 4 hearts hopefully, because I can kind of guess where the jack of hearts might be, and lose a diamond, and I might even be able to rough out a club. So in theory, if the 2-2, I could potentially make 13, but the fact that I've been doubled means that is highly unlikely. So I think the first thing, I can't see any reason why you'd duck that first of all. Well, first go anyway, I don't think it's right to duck. I'm going to play another one just in case of 2-2. What a surprise they're not. So West has got a guaranteed spade winner now. So I've got to set up that club. So let's just sort of have a go at it without really thinking. Let's just try and rough out the clubs. Okay. Let's play the king. So, okay, hearts break. Bad. Take a heart finesse. I've got to hope for clubs can't be 4-4. Okay, I haven't thought about this at all. Okay, so this first go is like I've got no chance of doing it because I've screwed it up kind of way. Okay, so West has got a diamond. Play another club, and no, the ace didn't fall. I suppose the ace could have come over there as well, so that didn't happen. Okay, so if I play a heart now and play a club, there's no point in doing that, so I may as well just play spades. Oh, right, I've just realised, yeah, I played a spade there. I hadn't lost that spade yet. Forgot all about that. And I'm off. No surprise there. Okay, let's look at these hands. We've got 5 clubs. And 4 hearts. Okay. So what I can do is take a heart row. So if I go previous deal, then next deal, it brings me back to the same one. Okay, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a heart. I'm going to play my ace king of spades. So I don't need the entries here. And I'm going to take a heart finesse straight away. That was a bit unlucky. So I'm off. I may as well just go off. Because I know I've got a spade to lose. Okay. Right, so I can't take a heart finesse. Because it'll put the jack. We'll put the singleton jack over there. Because that's what this can do. So Bridgemaster, it can move the cards around. So it can show you the cards, but basically it's saying that is the wrong way to play this out. So again, I'm going to start off like that. It's definitely the right start. I mean, could play a diamond to the ace and a club back. I can't see how to rough this club out. That's West has got 5 clubs. I can't actually rough this club out. So if I play 4 rounds of clubs, the ace isn't going to fall. Okay. Can't figure this out at the moment. Hold on a second. Answers on a postcard. Right, I can't rough the club out to set up the king of clubs. Can't rough the club out. Can't rough the club out to set up the ace of clubs. I'm going to take a heart finesse. What about so if I play the heart finesse, it's going to put the jack there, which is a bit weird. Actually, you know what? Actually, I just realized, yeah. If I rough all these clubs, 5 spades, right? Oh, whoa, right? Okay, I think I might have this. I've got to have this hand. Assume that it's got 5 clubs and 4 hearts. Okay, so if I rough all these clubs out with all of these bad boys, I can just lose a diamond. Let's play a diamond to the ace first of all. Club back, drop it. Right, so if West has got to have 4 hearts, so I can play the king of hearts first and overtake. Now, if this has got the singleton jack, that's going to fall. Okay, it doesn't. Now I can rough that. And now take a heart. I've got, this has got to work basically. Okay. Looking good. Or is it? I don't know. Am I off now? I think I'm off. Right. I think that was part of the solution. I think maybe I shouldn't play the it's got 6 clubs now. Let's just try it again. I'm going to go to 4 goals. I'm going to cheat. Let's try it slightly different. Maybe cashing the ace of diamonds wasn't the right thing to do. So do that. Not cash the ace of diamonds first. So slight cheating. Let's see if this works. Oh, okay. That's better. And now another club. Another heart. Another club. Diamond towards the ace. So if this hand roughs it, that's okay. If that was a winner, I'd be able to throw my diamond away, but I know this hand's got the ace. And whoa, boom, boom, boom. 4 goals, 4 goals. Bit of cheating. It was first time we tried this idea anyway. So anyway, half a failure. Right. Okay, that's Bridgemaster level 5 B14 tick after 4 attempts.